Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss numerical problem on the reliability when components are connected in parallel. So here it is one question, that is find the reliability of the system with three components A, B and C in parallel. The reliabilities of A, B and C are 0.95, 0.92 and 0.9 respectively. So there are three components like this. This is component A, B and C. All are connected in parallels. Like this type of arrangement, they are connecting. So we have to find the reliability of the system. In previous lecture we studied that the reliability of the system when components are connected in series is given as Rs equal to, that is 1 minus that is pi function I equal to 1 up to n 1 minus Ri, that is the reliability of the ith component or each component. So according to that there are three components, so there are three 1 minus Ri term and multiply of each. So 1 minus first term 1 minus 0.95, 1 minus 0.92, 1 minus 0.90. After calculation the reliabilities come out to be 0.9996. So this is the system reliability when components are connected in the series. So second question is for the system shown in figure, determines the system reliability for 200 hours of operation, means time is given here 200 hours of operation, and find the mean time to failure, that is the MTTF of the system. Assume that all three components have an identical time to failure distributed, that is exponential, with a constant rate of 0.0005 per hour, means lambda is given here and it is identical for each component. What is the mean time to failure of each component as well? So we have to calculate MTTF for each component as well as for the system. Second question is second part in that question is that it is desired for the system to have a mean time to failure of 4000 hours, means here MTTF is given here, then what should be the mean time to failure for each component? So according to here MTTF is given, from that we can calculate lambda, and after that lambda we can calculate the MTTF for each component. So for first part here it is given as lambda is given as 0.005 per hour and T is given as 2000 R. So three components connected in parallel, A and B, C. So system reliability will be given as by same formula, that is Rs equal to 1 minus, that is pi function, that is the product function, I equal to 1 minus Ri, and it is exponential, so we can write lambda T, and for all three components that lambda is same and T is same, so we can directly write as the Q here. So 1 minus exponential minus lambda T, lambda is 0.0005 into 2000 की power 3. So after calculation it comes out to be 0.7474. So MTTF for the system will be given as, for the system if there is no only one component, that MTTF is only 1 by lambda. So for system 1 by lambda, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, because there are three components. Only if there are more components, then plus up to 1 by n. So lambda is 0.0005, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. After calculation it comes out to be 3666.67 hours. So mean time to failure for each component is given as 1 by lambda, which we studied this formula earlier, 1 divided by 0.0005, that is 2000 R. So now second part is that when we have MTTF given as 4000, and according to that we have to calculate first that the mean time to failure for each component. So MTTF for system is given here. So for both system and each component, MTTF value is different. So for a desired system of MTTF of 4000 hours, so according to this our system having three component, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, and MTTF is given as 4000. So according to that we can calculate lambda here, and this lambda is basically for each component. So according to that, MTTF for each component will be given as 1 by lambda. So 1 by 0.00046, that's come out to be 2173.991 R. So this is how we can calculate the numericals related to the reliability when components are connected in parallel. So here we can notice that the reliability MTTF for system as well as for component is different. So thank you students. In next class we will going to discuss when systems are in system, the components are in series as well as in parallel. Okay students, thank you.